Whenever you have drill jobs that need to be done in place, a magnetic base drill is the way to go. This is the 6-piece set, the MDP50 from VEVOR. This is not a lightweight box, but it's not very big. This is how it arrives. Let's open it up. It seems like the thing to do is to pull off the top here, and it looks like that is the way to go. So we're just going to pull the drill up out of the cardboard box that it ships in. It's actually surprisingly lighter than I thought it would be. This box is all cardboard, so it's going to be perfect for storing the drill. Let's open up the twist tie here. And you can see it's all assembled and ready to go. We've got the drill with its magnetic base. The accessories are here in the bag with it. Comes with a bunch of extra collets and bits. Well, these are the tools. These would be the bits in nice packaging. Got the oil. This is probably a thing to hold that oil. Then we've got some removable knobs and a strap, as well as the hose for that oil for lubrication. So really enjoying this. This is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. I mean, it's definitely substantial. We've got the switch here, the on-off switch, and then the magnet switch. Pretty easy, but of course there's a manual there. We'll go through the manual and figure out everything. But then we can adjust. It's basically a portable drill press. You're going to put those knobs in to here, and then this will screw up and down like a drill press, only it's magnetically connected to your submarine or your boat or your RV or whatever it is that you're trying to drill holes in. This one can do 50 millimeters of depth. I want to thank VEVOR for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.